What's up, guys? As you saw, we just got the exhaust on our 11th gen Civic Si. So a couple cool things about this exhaust is that it fits not only the 1.5T models, but also the 2-liter models, and I can kind of show you how we were able to adapt this exhaust to both of them. So if you come up here, you can see that we've got this adapter to the stock front pipe. So when you get your exhaust, you're going to come with two adapters. The first one is going to be for the 1.5T, which steps the exhaust down to the size of the stock 1.5T front pipe. And then there is a adapter for the 2-liter cars, and that'll step the exhaust down to the exhaust diameter of the stock 2-liter front pipe. And finally, if you have our front pipe for the car, you can buy our high volume 3-inch to 3-inch adapter, which will adapt our exhaust to our front pipe, so you have a true 3-inch exhaust all the way back. A couple other things I want to point out is, as you guys saw in one of the previous videos, or maybe it was a reel, the cross section of the Resonator has the packing, the fiberglass packing, the steel mesh, and the shredded steel in there to sort of keep everything held together, make sure that the exhaust has good longevity. But overall, super happy with how this went together. Really excited to see how it sounds. So now that the whole thing's buttoned up and we have it kind of positioned where we want, I'm gonna fire the car up and we can check for exhaust leaks, give you guys a little bit of a cold start clip, and then take it out for a drive and see how it sounds.
Give her the beans for me.
Nice. 3 miles till empty.
$22 miles now.
Yeah. Two of the exact same cars right there.
I know.